In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your company's logo to PackSight test reports in 3 easy steps. Let's first take a look at what our finished product will look like. If I click Print Report from a post-testing page, I will get my finished test report. You can see that my company's logo shows up on the first page as well as each subsequent page's header. So let's get started. First, from the home page, click on your avatar in the upper right corner, then click My Account. Click the pencil icon next to the logo, then click the image icon. Browse your computer for the image you'd like to use, then accept that image. Click Save on the record page. And that's it. Now, each report that you pull will have your company's logo. Thanks for listening. For more helpful videos, check out the Getting Started tab on the PackSight support page.